made it this year. Climb the steps and swept, so stand clear. Never let a negative settle. Keep settling, everything in me severed. Everybody say yeah. Say oh yeah. Just not to mention, pay attention to weapons of words, never heard it before. Settle the score with arguments, sparking it every day of the week at the peak of my anger. The danger of holding these thoughts in my heartless. Spark this up like motors from NASCAR. Gone too far, too many battle scars. I put in work, blood, sweat, the verses. I thirst for peace, but the beast unleashes. Grinding my teeth together for beats. I celebrated my heart to the movement and got bruises to proving what's right. Like a UFC veteran losing a fight, I feel like I'm punished, misunderstood. Stood up and took it like a boxer from Mexico. Get down, stand up, had to let it go. I had to let it go. Celebrate it cause we made it this year. Climb the steps and swept, so stand clear. Never let a negative settle. Keep pedaling, everything in me separate. Yo, everybody say yeah. Say oh yeah. Celebrate it cause we made it this year. Climb the steps and swept, so stand clear. Never let a negative settle. Keep pedaling, everything in me separate, yeah. Oh!